I'm Jessica Hartman. Those stories and more right now on 44 News.
Dedicated to local news, this is 44 News at 10.
The number of overdoses is on the rise across the country, forcing first responders to administer Narcan at an accelerated rate. That, coupled with the pandemic fallout causing supply chain issues, it's no surprise the nation is experiencing a shortage of the life-saving medicine. 44 News reporter Valerie Lyons spoke with some local Narcan providers, and while they say that shortage is not yet impacting the tri-state, with overdose numbers at the highest the community has ever seen, they stress the devastating impact a lack of the drug could have. Thank you, Valerie. Certainly paints a very haunting picture. As we dig deeper, how exactly does Narcan save lives? Well, according to the Addiction Policy Forum, that medicine binds to the same brain receptors that opioids do, pushing out the drugs that are causing that overdose. When someone is being impacted by powerful synthetic drugs like fentanyl, sometimes it takes multiple Narcan doses. As Valerie mentioned, you can get free Narcan from several local organizations, including the Evansville Recovery Alliance. If you are getting it over the counter at a pharmacy, it could run you more than $100. Evansville police investigating after a home was shot up while the family was inside. It happened on East Indiana Street last night. The home riddled with bullets. You can see where they pierced the windows and even the siding. Neighbors say the area didn't used to be one that attracted this type of violence.
I am worried about if there's going to be some shooting.
Thankfully, no one was hurt in this incident. Investigators say the family didn't see anything, and there are no leads on a suspect. New tonight, Indiana Senator Mike Braun facing accusations tied to campaign funding. His campaign was audited by the Federal Election Commission, and the draft final audit report accuses the campaign of having $8.5 million in prohibited loans. The accusations include roughly $1.5 million in illegal corporate contributions from Meyer Distributed. That's the company the senator created. A spokesperson for the senator says the final report will show that the loans are all compliant. Storm Team 44 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Hartman is tracking tonight. It looks like colder temperatures overnight. And Cam, more rain on the way? Thanks, Cam. That chill in the air, at least pushing us towards the holidays. Downtown Evansville, hard at work making the transformation. 44 News reporter Sydney Spencer is on Main Street tonight where the lights are on. Well, we've got the sights of Christmas taken care of, and soon the sounds of Christmas will be ringing. The Salvation Army will kick off the 2021 Red Kettle campaign tomorrow. Evansville Mayor Lloyd Winnicky proclaiming the day Red Kettle Day, officially starting the bell ringing. The Salvation Army will be set up at 28 different locations across the community. The fundraising campaign not only funds Christmas assistance, but also helps with soup kitchens, food pantries, and other Salvation Army programs year-round. All that festive cheer, though, it comes with a warning tonight. Holiday after holiday during the pandemic, doctors have seen a spike in COVID-19 cases. With Thanksgiving just a few weeks away, health officials are asking people to stay vigilant. Whether you're headed down the street to the grocery store for a last-minute Thanksgiving staple or traveling far to visit family, doctors encourage people to wear their masks. Now that children 5 to 11 are eligible for the vaccine, doctors encouraging parents to get their kids vaccinated before Grandma and Grandpa come over to carve the turkey. And speaking of vaccines for kids, doctors at Owensboro Health Regional anxiously awaiting the arrival of those vials. They will have doses ready to put in little ones' arms as soon as next week. Both Owensboro and Muhlenberg locations are now scheduling vaccine appointments for children as young as 5. The Pfizer vaccine will offer select Tuesday appointments starting November 16th from 4 to 7. You can schedule an appointment for your child by visiting the website on the bottom of your screen right now or simply logging in to your Deaconess MyChart. New tonight, the Indiana Department of Health strike team will be in Posey County starting tomorrow. They'll be providing both COVID-19 testing and vaccinations, all for free. All 3 vaccines will be offered along with pediatric doses for children, as well as booster shots for adults that qualify. The clinic will run noon to 8, both Friday and Saturday at the Mount Vernon Fire Department. Coming up next, all the surprising things happening behind the scenes during the 420 Main implosion. How crews will get local businesses back up and running within hours. Then, honoring our veterans, a look at how we celebrated them throughout the tri-state today.